All right, for week 7, we're going to take a look at a Robinson projection map. And this map is a map of the world. Now, there's only one type of map that can show the Earth accurately, and that's a globe. A globe shows the Earth as round with a curved surface. Now, cartographers, which are map makers, have a difficult time drawing a curved surface into a flat surface. So they have developed different type of map projections to help. Projections are a way of transferring the curved surface of the Earth onto a flat map. They use the grid lines based on the lines of latitude and the lines of longitude. And all projection maps distort or make things look different than they really are. It might make things look closer together, farther away. It might make things look small when they're actually really big, or it could even change the shape of it. Now, one type of projection map is the Robinson map, and it's named after its cartographer, Arthur Robinson. Now, it is an oval-shaped projection, and the shape and size of the continents near the equator are shown accurately. So everything near the equator is pretty accurate. But the water areas and lands near the pole areas are distorted. So everything up here and down here is distorted or changed slightly. Now we can see on this map very clearly at 0 degrees is the equator, and the prime meridian is also at 0 degrees. North America is in the west because we can see all of these are to the west of the prime meridian. You should also notice that the lines of latitude and longitude are in increments of 15 degrees. So for example, 0 degrees here, and the next line, it doesn't have it listed, but if it did, it would be 15 degrees east. Then we 30 degrees east. Then we have 45 degrees east. So you got to do some math when you're reading a map. Now with this kind of map, you're able to find geographic addresses. Just like you have an address at your house, there are geographic addresses for every place on the Earth. They're also called coordinates. So if you've been doing coordinates in math, it's the exact same thing. The other thing the projection map does is helps you visualize all 4 of the hemispheres. Now, coordinates. We've learned about coordinates. For example, North America, the middle of North America, we could say right where maybe the O is at 45 degrees north. And we go up to 105 degrees west. All right. So we always go latitude, longitude, latitude, longitude. The equator is the imaginary line that runs around the center of the Earth, and it's halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. And geographic grid is an intersecting pattern formed by the lines of longitude and latitude. Lines of latitude are also called parallel. They're parallel to the equator. Lines of longitude are called meridians. They are imaginary lines that run between the North and South Pole. So all of these lines are also called meridians. The prime meridian is 0. A projection is a system for mapping the round Earth on a flat surface. So projection is taking a round surface and making it flat. One last thing, if you're looking for something between 2 coordinates, for example, 45 degrees north and 30 degrees north, and we run across here, we could say the United States, which is part of North America, is between 45 degrees north and 30 degrees north.